Hey, this is Tess with Rowe Dental Lab, and today I want to talk with you about Edentulous workflows for digital dentures, but when you're keeping it classic and going analog style with your record method. Meaning you're sending in either alginate impressions wrapped locally, stone models, or maybe a PVS impression for us to pour up, what exactly we need and the steps that will occur from there. So just like you would with a conventional denture, we're going to go ahead and have you take your Edentulous impression of the arch we're working with and opposing and go ahead and send that into Rowe. From there, we're fabricating a bite block that we return to you in office. Something you can do at that bite block is take a wash inside, just as a secondary impression if you're someone that was a custom tray lover, or if you just want to capture a few more details. We're also going to need you to mark the high smile line, cuspid line, midline, and lips at rest when you return the case to us. Any photos with the bite block in place and the markings included are also really helpful. From there, it sounds crazy, but we then digitize the records and it goes to a final printed denture. Now, I know we're all really used to wax try-ins and getting a setup back, so how I talk with my doctors about it is the case comes back to you finished and completed. The great news is the patient can wear that denture home that day if they like everything. If they like the midline, if you like the bite, if you like the way it fits, all those good details we're checking at that final insert. But let's say there are some details you want to change and it's a final now, so what do we do? From there, go ahead and make your new markings, whether it's making changes to the midline, adjusting the bite, changes to the shade, or annotating any of those other nuances you want perfected with your case to us. Go ahead and indicate those or mark those on the denture, send it back into Rowe for what's called a reverse reset. What that means is we then take those records, change the setup, change the shade, whatever the detail may be that you wanted modified, and we print another denture for you to insert on the patient again. And let's say you don't like the denture after that and want to make another change. We can go ahead and keep making changes to that denture and improving it until you and your patient are both satisfied with the final result. And the crown jewel to all of this that I think makes it all the worthwhile is when we fabricate a final impact denture for you, we then keep a digital file of that denture. And what does that really mean? It means when your patient loses their denture, their dog gets a hold of it, or one of the very bizarre things that seem to happen to dentures occurs, you can simply call Rowe and order a new denture based on our final design we printed the final denture off of. It's such a great tool for patients. It's really nice for a peace of mind for you, your patients, and frankly, just knowing you don't have to pour another set of models. If you want to learn more, we have a digital denture ebook available on our website. And please feel free to keep up with the latest and greatest updates here at Rowe by following us on our social media platforms. Or if you'd like to talk with one of our technical support specialists, please call into the lab directly. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we look forward to keeping it classic with your impact denture cases from conventional records.